Hey guys, welcome to FixLab Pro. Are you facing the problem of not receiving emails in your Gmail account? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to fix Gmail not receiving emails. So without further delay, let's start the video. First of all, check if your desired email has not arrived in your inbox, but has arrived in spam. If it has not arrived in spam, then check your Google account storage to see if it is full. Many times, emails cannot arrive due to full storage. My account is mostly empty. However, if your storage is full, delete unnecessary mail from your inbox. Then delete it from the trash as well so that it is permanently deleted. Apart from that, you can delete all unnecessary document files in your Google account. Then the next step that I will show you is to disable email forwarding. For this, first click on the setting option of Gmail. Then click on forwarding and pop /IMAP. If you have ever enabled the email forwarding option, then you need to disable it. I have not added any account, so it is not working. But if you have done so, then your settings will look like this. Then disable it. Then make sure that IMAP access is disabled below. Finally, click on Save Changes to complete the process. This will fix your email problem. If it still doesn't work, please check and remove all your email filters. People use filters in email to avoid unnecessary spamming, but excessive filter use can cause this type of problem. To solve this, go to Settings again and click on Filters and Blocked Addresses. Select all the filters here and delete them. Now scroll down a little and see if your desired account is blocked. If it is blocked, unblock it. After that, hopefully your email received issues will be fixed. If you want a more informative video like this, subscribe to the channel and like it. You can comment on any problem you have. Thanks for watching.